In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Yahoo emails. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter to go to Yahoo's homepage. On the upper right, you'll see the sign in option. Click that and follow the on-screen prompts to log into your account. If you use two-step verification, complete that process as well. Give it a moment while Yahoo signs you in. Once you're in, look to the upper right again and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. Inside your inbox, find the Settings gear icon and click it. From the panel that opens, choose More Settings to access the full settings page. On the left-hand side, select Mailboxes. This is where you can connect other email accounts so Yahoo can sync messages, which is a great way to keep a backup copy available in one place. Click Add Mailbox, then choose Google from the list of providers. You'll see a field to enter your Gmail address, type it in, and click Next. Yahoo will open a secure Google sign-in window. Click Sign in with Google to proceed. Select the Google account you want to use as your backup destination. When prompted, click Continue. You'll be shown a permissions screen. Select the options presented so Yahoo can access what it needs to sync your mail. This allows Yahoo to copy messages between the services so you have an extra layer of protection for your emails. When you're ready, click Continue to confirm. You'll be brought back to Yahoo Mail where you can finalize the connection by clicking Done. That's it. The link is set up. Yahoo will begin syncing in the background. Depending on how many messages you have, this can take some time, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear right away. You can keep using your inbox while the sync completes. A few tips as this runs. Make sure you're signed in to the correct accounts before you start, and avoid sharing any passwords or codes with anyone. If you step away, just return to mailboxes later to check the status. After syncing, you'll see the connected mailbox listed, and your mail will be accessible, giving you a convenient backup within Yahoo Mail. If storage space is a concern on either account, periodically archive or clean up large attachments. By following these steps, you've connected Yahoo Mail with your Google account so your messages can be synced and backed up, making your email safer and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify everything looks good in mailboxes before you move on.